Question 14. Find the length of another rectangle with the same area. So basically what we need to know is this here. So the area of any rectangle is length times by the width. So if we do that first, length times width, can't see that pen colour there, so let's try again. Length times width is basically going to be 9 times 4, and that's going to give us 36 centimetres squared. We need just to find now another L times W, another length, another width makes 36. So in other words, what numbers times together to make 36? Well, does 1 pair up with anything? Yes, it does. You could have 1 times 36. You could have 2 times 18. Does 3 work? Yeah. 3 times 12 is 36. Oh, I've got it written 3 times 36. Didn't mean that. Pardon me. I meant to say 3 times 12. Does 4 work? Well, 4 is the one we've got here. 4 times 9 makes 36. Does 5 work? Well, 5 doesn't go into 36 without leaving a remainder, but 6 does. It would be 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is also 36. So you can have any pair of these could be your length and width of another one. You can have 36 length, 1 width, 18 length, 2 width, 12 length, 3 width, or 6 length, 6 width. But that's a bit of a sneaky one, that one, because if you go for this, I'm going to put a question mark next to that one, because that wouldn't actually be a rectangle. That one would be a square, because if the length and width are the same, you generally don't refer to it as a rectangle, you refer to it as a square. So I'm going to cross that one out and just leave it as these 3 answers, because they all make 36 and they all have a different length and a different width.